my friend Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so much for your recent online interest through the True Car Auto Buying Service on one of my Honda Civic hatchbacks. I saw where you were looking for information on possibly an EX. I'm not sure the exact trim package you're after. I have an EX in my Crystal Black Pearl here. Actually, one of my very last 2018 models, which is priced on clearance this weekend for the big sale that we have going on. We also have the 2019 models in stock, along with Alabama's largest inventory selection. We've been Alabama's leading volume dealer for 18 consecutive years. We also have 15 Honda President's Awards here at Tameron Honda. One of only 5 dealerships in the entire nation with that kind of honor. And we're going to have a great deal for you waiting. I mean, I've got appointments filling up fast, so you got to reach out to me today. 205-504-2358. We're going to be in the office till 8 tonight and 7 o'clock to accommodate Honda's big national sales event. So I hope to hear from you. You can also respond back to this email and we can set you up with a VIP test drive. I'm looking forward to the opportunity. And when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.